How to check your IMEI number on Infinix Smart 9. So it is so simple to do. You just go to the setting menu and then you can tap on my phone and you can scroll up and you can tap on more information. Then you can tap on phone information and you can see IMEI, SIM slot 1 and SIM slot 2. You can tap on SIM slot 1. So this is the IMEI number. And the step 2, you can using this code. Go to the GL number and then you can type *#06# like this, and you can see the IMEI number also. Okay guys, just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.